What do you have?
Let's open it this one first.
What is that? Can you tell me what is that?
Mommy, open it.
What is that first?
Open it, please.
Oh, it's a pencil.
No,
What is that?
it's scissors.
Oh, it's a scissors. Okay.
I try this one. This one first.
Careful your hands. Oh, use your hands na.
Open it, Mommy. Open it, please. Open it.
Oh, I will help you.
Open it.
What's this? Vibrant color pencils.
It's coloring, Mommy.
What can you say? Colors.
Please, Mommy. What? I want this one, Mommy.
Not yet, not yet. You're not yet going to sharpen the pencil. Just look at the colored pencil. What color are those?
Please, Mommy. Start it.
Not yet, not yet. When you grow up, kapag malaki ka na.
Hindi na ikaw yan, Mommy. Hindi na ikaw yan, Mommy. Pwede. Pwede ikaw yan, Mommy.
Let's save the other two. It's too many for you.
Pwede ikaw yan, Mommy.
Sit
Pwede.
first.
Ay, malaki pero na ikaw.
Yes po, malaki na po si Mami. How about we sharpen na lang the pencil?
I want this one first.
May I see your other scissors first?
Let's open this one too.
Open. Where's the scissors?
This one.
May I see? Here. Mommy will help you. There you go. No, try to cut this.
No, I want this one first. I want
What do you think is that? Eraser.
eraser.
So this is your first eraser. Dust-free eraser. And then you have another eraser. What shape is that?
Open it first, Mom.
What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. May I borrow the scissors, please?
Okay. Open it, Mommy. Please open it. I'll open it, Mommy. Open it, please.
Which scissors do you like?
This one.
How about the red one?
Ay, hindi. Tingnan mo. Hindi kana.
Hindi gumagana.
Ito kana.
Here you go. It's open already.
Wow.
Those are erasers. What color? You have green eraser, orange eraser, and blue eraser. How about this one? What are this? What are that? Those. Ano to?
Pencil.
Pencil. So we have 6B, 4B, and 2B pencils.
This one first. Iba naman.
Oh, sit first, sit first.
Ito, ma.
Oh, can you identify the color? Oh, there's a purple. Find the purple.
This one. French, and then mommy. Please, mommy, I want this one. Pwede na ikaw yan.
Not yet.
Please, mommy, kayo po. Bigyan na ikaw.
Ah, big girl na ako, kaya pwede na ako magtasa.
Opo.
How about we tasa na lang the pencils?
Okay.
Okay. I have one here. You also have here, thick triangular pencil cap. So, yung pencil mo is triangular para mas madaling mahawakan. Ano po? Is this first? This is old. Use the old one because that is a new one.
Pwede na ikaw yan, ma.
Oh, I'll help you. Do you need help? Or you can do it?
Yeah. Help me, mommy. I need help, please, mommy. I want help.
Okay, there you go. May tasa na. And then you need to use the cup. Put the cup. Put the cup. Yay! Good job! Let's clean up.
Okay, new one.
Guys,
No, wait, guys. I want this one.
Subscribe and tap the bell and explore where play meets purpose at Tinker Toys.